Now, let's demonstrate how to create builds for each ad network. First, navigate to the Build Playable Ad option located in the top right corner of the screen. Next, select the ad networks you wish to build the playable ad for by ticking the respective checkboxes. Once you've made your selections, click on Start Build to initiate the process. The build for each ad network typically takes between 40 seconds and 1 minute to complete. After the build is finished, you'll be able to download a zip file containing the packages for each ad network. These packages may include HTML files or zip files. Don't worry if you encounter different file types, simply copy the playable ad file and paste it into the respective ad network's dashboard. Thank you for watching.